Daily emotional hygiene practice. Emotional health requires daily practice to clear emotional buildup. This practice will help you develop and sustain a relationship with your emotional self. The stronger that relationship is, the more internal power and wisdom you have access to. You can liken it to a relationship with another person. If it is somebody you never see and you don't put effort into spending time with them or calling to connect, the relationship is going to dwindle. You need the quality time to bond. You certainly wouldn't treat your children in this way, saying, "Okay, I'll talk to you in a few weeks, go to your room." Instead, you want to be involved and know what is going on. And the same is true for building a relationship with our emotional selves. Let's practice. Let's use these next few moments as quality time to connect with your emotions and your body and clear emotional buildup. We'll start with paying attention to 3 breaths. You do not have to change or alter your breath in any way. Simply notice what your breath is doing in this moment for 3 inhalations and exhalations. Now, ask yourself, where in my physical body is my attention drawn as I notice my breath? Notice where in your body you pay attention as you feel your breath in this moment. Throughout this practice, as your mind wanders, when you noticed it has wandered away, very gently, with no hint of harshness, guide your attention back to your breath, coming home to your body. Do this each time you notice your mind has gone on a walk and wandered away. Now, take a brief scan of your body from your feet up to your head. Make a note of any sensations that come into your awareness, no matter how big or small. Scanning your body and noticing any sensation. Coming back now to anchor yourself in your breathing. I'm going to ask you a question. When I ask the question, you can simply focus on your breathing. There is no need for you to search for an answer or try to come up with anything. Simply notice what information your body gives you, if anything at all. Noticing your breath flow in and out. Now asking your body, what emotion is present in this moment? Just notice and breathe. Breathe and notice. If you noticed an emotion name come up, such as anger, sadness, joy, or even if you notice not knowing what emotion is present, now again, focusing on breathing in and breathing out, and ask your body, how do you know? Where is this feeling or lack of knowing located in my body? Breathe and notice what comes into your awareness. Whether you have noticed emotional sensations or not at this point, pay attention to a few more breaths while simultaneously noticing any physical sensations that are present. It doesn't matter if these feelings stay the same or shift and change. Your gentle task is to create a soft, welcoming environment for any sensation to arise. As you notice any sensation, take a few breaths as you pay attention to this feeling. Then, after a few breaths, ask yourself curiously, now, what do I notice in my body in this moment? It doesn't matter if you notice the same thing or something different. By paying attention to sensations in your body in this way, you are allowing emotional feelings to arise as they please, be noticed and felt, and waft away when they are ready. Anything you have felt and paid attention to thus far in your practice has been processed and metabolized. That layer of emotion digested and released. If you would like, you can continue this practice of noticing sensations and breaths in your body for a little while longer. Or you can conclude your practice for now. Think of this exercise like brushing your teeth, but for your emotions. If this is the first day in a long time since you have brushed your teeth, you're going to have some buildup, and the first brushing may seem insignificant. However, if you keep at it consistently, little by little and day by day, emotional buildup will release, and you will be able to feel at peace and at home in your body. Remember to pay attention to your breath and body every day, even if only for a few minutes. This is how you develop strong emotional hygiene and robust emotional health and healing. If any part of this meditation was difficult, I invite you to continue to gently practice, noticing if your experience shifts over time. I'm Dr. Bando, health psychologist, happy to help you shift from surviving to thriving. Thank you for listening.